Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And today we are down here visiting Point Marina, having a little fun. Speaking of having a little fun on boats, the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show is just right around the corner. A great spot to go check out a bunch of boats. But if you ever thought about doing something fun and adventurous on your boat, like maybe taking your boat to the Bahamas like we do every year, we'll be hosting our seminar again at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show Saturday, October 29th, in collaboration with the Bahamas Tourism Ministry at 4 p.m. at the Convention Center in the seminar room. And just before that, we'll also be over at the Bahamas booth from 2 to 3 p.m. for their happy hour that's being hosted by the Tourism Ministry, Makers Air, and Staniel K Yacht Club. You can also come by and check us out there. But let's get this show started as our crew is about to take approach on the dock. Our crew is definitely taking that slow roll approach up on the dock, but they've come in a little shallow. He's gonna hit the dock. Bro, you're gonna have to break it. Brakes? Come on. And Wifey sticks her hands out. She's the brake today. Man, with the dog in the front of that boat, that could have went bad quickly. If they'd have hit the dock, that dog probably could have been taking a swim. So Cap's gonna come back around and try and reset this one up. This is tough. With the wind like this, you really need to back all the way out, man, and reset it up completely. And he's leaving the helm too. With a jet boat that has no neutral, this is an absolutely horrible idea. But he's trying to push his way around the dock. Once again, came in too shallow again. With the wind blowing like this, you almost have to completely reset up, but he's going to try and muscle his way in. So he does get the boat off the dock a little bit. This is dangerous, dragging these lines in the water too. That's one way to just suck these right up into the jet pumps. Here we go. Approach him one more time. Let's go, man. You got it. He has to pump the brakes again. But you can see those trees in the background. The wind is just absolutely ripping down here today, which is going to give all these captains fits for sure. Did he come in shallow again? No, he's got it this time. Can we get Wifey off the bow? Yes. And he's going to get off too, and we'll have a little success, and we'll get this one put away. Our guys are coming in on approach. This is the only way they're going to be able to do it. They're going to try and attack this dock against the wind, which is going to require a little throttle and a steep angle, which it appears that they've at least got that part right. And we've got somebody in the bow ready to roll. Oh, and our guy steps off on the stern, but he doesn't grab any lines. And our bow guy goes for the leap. And as he does, he kicks the boat off the dock, and that's going to swing the stern around, and now things are going to get interesting because we've got some boats on the other side here. So they're definitely going to have to keep this pulled close enough to the dock to get it, and we don't have enough line. Oh, man. Can't believe our stern guy, he just jumped off, forgot the line, and now we're going to have to try and toss it up. I don't know if the line's long enough. He's going to have to get pulled back in. There we go. And we've got it over there. Our crew will be able to get this one pulled over. I was curious, though, because the boats behind them, I mean, this easily could have gone wrong, and they could have been pushed back into those boats. What in the Black Point hell is going on here? These guys are dragging an anchor down the ramp. I'm not sure. I don't even know if they know. They gotta know, right? With the half-deflated fender, oh my gosh, what in the world is going on? Oh, we're gonna hit, Oh man, dragging the anchor, the deflated fender on the wrong side, and we hit the dock. Man. Our guys are getting it pulled over. He's trying to. I wonder if they even know that that anchor's dragging. And now we're shifting off the dock. Our guy's going to have to come up here and try and grab him in. And there we go. We get the line toss. And it should be good enough to get these guys pulled back over and maybe semi-organized. Everybody's looking down now because they hit the dock to see what kind of damage was done. But I have to imagine that's probably the least of their worries. Gotta watch it, Cap. So he's trying to a little whiskey throttle here at the end. Trying to make his approach. And the wind's starting to grab him. And that... Oh, he hit the throttle! And Cap stopped it just before they hit the boat in front of him, but that's... where things get a little tricky when it's a really windy day like this. Everybody wants to overcompensate with gas, but our guy I think is going to learn real quick that the easiest way is going to be just to float into the dock here. We've got one of the Black Point team members down here, and he's going to... Oh, another little whiskey throttle shot. But our team member is going to help them get this one in, and we'll stop it before we hit the dock as well. Man, our crew has got the lean going on this one with everybody on one side of the boat. They're going to have a tough time with this one. They've come in a little too shallow. This wind's absolutely going to grab them as they get the boat sideways here. But there's a boat on the other side of them as well, so they're going to have to be careful because as soon as he pumps the brakes on this, they're going to start drifting that way. So we're trying to get a line on, but we are missing. And here we go. They hit the brakes. You can see that bow is starting to move. So now some quick actions are going to have to be made here. He's going to have to pull out. There's not going to be really any way unless he's got a bow thruster on this thing to stop this movement. And our Cap's getting on this boat going to that side. I think he knows that he's got to watch it. And here we go. We've backed out. And the struggle is real with the wind down here at Black Point today. Is he going to try and reapproach, or is he going to pull all the way out to try and reset up? On this one, that's what I would pull back out and try and completely reset up on this. And no, he's going to give it a little throttle and try and come back into the dock. At least at a steep angle this time, but it's a difficult shot right here with this boat right beside him. And he realizes quickly he does not want to do that, throws it back into reverse, and we're going to reset this up, and he is going to do the correct move here. We are likely going to pull all the way out, try and reset this one up completely, which is probably the best move. But here you can just tell the wind just has them. I mean, they're really even having struggles just getting the boat turned back around. He's probably still going to have to back up some more. Yep, here we go. And they're going to back all the way down the channel, basically, to try and get this thing set up where they can try and get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.